CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.3 Compare and contrast storage types. ROM. Now that you understand what it means to read and write data, it's time to introduce a special kind of storage that does only one of those things. It's called ROM. And ROM stands for read-only memory. As the name suggests, ROM is a type of storage that is designed to be read, but not written to. The data stored in ROM is placed there during manufacturing, and it doesn't change. This makes it perfect for storing important information that the system always needs. ROM is also non-volatile, which means it keeps its data even when the computer is turned off. In IT, ROM is often used to store the BIOS or UEFI firmware found on a motherboard. It's also used in embedded systems like printers, routers, and smart devices, where it holds the firmware that controls their core functions. Because ROM can't be easily modified, it's ideal for storing information that must remain consistent and unchanged. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.